I have tried the red, the green, the blue.
What the hell are you talking about?
I like red, green, blue. I'm making up colors. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Feeling good, y'all. The wig got me feeling good. Y'all know these wigs is like magical potions in my life. Ta-da! So today I'm going to be bringing you guys a new wig from Outre. Shout out to Outre for sending over this wig. I really do appreciate you guys. This is Begonia, and I have a new color for you guys. So I'm going to show you how I put this wig on, and then I'm going to talk about her like we always do. But before we get started, if you like content like this, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button because I do a lot of wig reviews on my channel. I also do a little bit of skincare and I do some makeup. So hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead and jump into it.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on?
Alright, so I just had to stop the music and talk to y'all real quick. But this cap feels so good. It's very comfortable. It's very stretchy. I was a little bit hesitant with putting an elastic band on it, but Outre is listening and this band actually feels a little bit bigger. It's really roomy. It's really comfortable. Man, this is a beauty. This is a beauty. Me and my gold patches and this wig, we looking right. Let's go ahead and continue with the music.
In your heart, what's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah.
Guys, so we're finished putting on this wig and she's a beauty. So today I'm talking about a wig from the Melted Hairline collection. This is in the style Begonia and I have the color DRFF Caramel Mocha. I don't think I've tried this color before, but she's gorgeous, y'all. This is actually the same color on the stock card model and I am here for it. It's a lot of other pretty colors in this collection. You got a lot of DR face frame. Well, actually you only have one. You only have one. I was wrong. You have one DRFF Amber Sunset and then this DR face framing, but you do have a lot of dark root colors. That's what the DR means. You got some hazelnut, golden honey, cinnamon spice, red velvet. This will actually be really pretty in a natural color as well, y'all. Like, she's just the typical like style wig. She's so pretty. I think it's the highlights. I think it's definitely the highlights. So let me me go ahead and give you guys some specs. So this is from the Melted Hairline collection. It's a very beginner friendly collection. You're just going to get a standard lace part. You're not going to be able to part this wig wherever you like if you're familiar with this collection. So you're just going to get a hairline effect. You're going to get 2 inches of parting space kind of going back. So if you want, you do have the option where you can pluck her up just a little bit, and I did go in and pluck just a little bit. She needed just a little bit of plucking, and you're going to get 5 inches going back. I like how deep the part is going back. It looks really, really natural. The texture on this wig, guys, it feels really good. It is not textured. It is not like a kamaya, but it is, I want to say silky, but more like a heavier silky, if that makes sense. It's like a really light yaki. I actually wore this wig for the past, I want to say like 3 hours now, because I just came back from eating sushi. And this wig is still, she's still gliding, y'all. Like, the texture feels really, really good on this wig. It actually feels like a human hair body wave unit. You're going to get 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. I did go in with the band, as you saw. It does come with that. So if you want, you can just use that band and just kind of put the wig on. But I like to melt my wigs just a little bit more. So I did go in today and I tried this new Ebin New York Lace Wonder Bond adhesive spray. I have tried the red, the green, the blue.
What the hell are you talking about?
I went red, green, blue. I'm making up colors. So I did try the black. I can't believe I just said all those different colors. So I did try the yellow, the red, and the black, okay? I made a whole video on how I feel about it. Check the video out right here. But this one is for more sensitive people. And it says it's an extreme hold. I got it because it does say sensitive on it. And as you guys saw, I did start this video off without any makeup on. I was doing like some skincare stuff earlier this morning, and y'all know how I feel about my skincare. I love my skincare routine, so I am not trying to mess up my face. And I did notice that, I'm not sure if it was the yellow or the red can, but one of them did unfortunately break me out, and I was real hesitant towards using the Ebin New York spray, but I really do like this one. This one compared to the black one, it's still a good hold, y'all. Like, this hold feels good, and it doesn't feel like my edges are ripping out. With that black one, I don't know. It's a great hold, but it is so tight. I feel like this is kind of in between the red and the black. I don't know. I'm definitely going to wear this a few other times and let you guys know, but so far I do like it. I must say that the black can does dry a little bit faster, quicker, but this one, it dries, it's a little bit longer, but not too long. I mean, we used to that instant. We like instant. I know how y'all do. Y'all like that instant dry. Instant. But it doesn't dry as fast, and it also doesn't leave residue, I noticed. Like, it doesn't leave like a nasty residue. I don't know. I really like this one. I think this might be my go-to can, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, back to the wig review. I did go in with a little bit of powder in my parting space. Adding powder to your parting space just kind of opens up that part and makes it look a little bit more realistic. I did pluck some hairs as well, and I also did choose to go in and put my makeup on after. This lace definitely does need to be tinted and match to your skin, but I just always go in now after and match the lace with my whatever's left on my brush. This is a winner, y'all. This has been sitting in my closet like for a while now. She's really glam. She's really cute. She's sexy, y'all.
Sexy.
Like, this wig is, I think I want to get this wig in other colors. And if y'all know me, I don't really like repurchasing wigs, but this one is cute. My eyelashes, I do need to find new eyelashes because these are super long. The bang is kind of getting on my eyelash a little bit, but it's not too bad, y'all. It's not bad at all. It really isn't. I mean, it's a me problem, not the wig problem. I do like these highlights in the front here. You're going to get this nice caramel face framing highlight, and you're going to get nice pretty layers in here. These nice curls in here. And look how it blends also, guys. Like, it's dark and it goes into the brown. So it's not a harsh black into brown. Like, I really do like that. This is what the length is looking like. I want to say this wig is about 22 inches. It's a good length, and this is what she's looking like in the back. As far as cons go, I feel like we've been saying this for a while, Outre. The hairline is definitely not the pre-plucked hairline that we know or fell in love with initially when this first launched. Initially, you can go in and pluck it up just a little bit, and I think it would look a little bit more realistic, but you can also use the hairline that it comes with. I just kind of like to pluck it just a little bit more. And you can also use baby hairs if you want. I've been getting more comfortable with not using baby hairs these days, and I think she looks pretty good. She looked pretty good like this. But as far as pros goes, I must say that I feel like this cap, are you ready? I feel like this cap, as much as I did use the band, I feel like this cap is bigger, y'all. Like, I really feel like this cap is bigger. I feel like Outre is listening, and this cap is definitely much bigger. So it's definitely back to where we started as far as the cap goes, but we just need to work on the hairline. But that's not a problem. This wig is under $40. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on. It's a synthetic wig. Before I forget, if you guys do like my lip combo, I think this is a really cute lip combo. I have to mention it in these videos. I do have on this Juvia's Place Me. I did a review on all of these nudes from Juvia's Place. This is me mixed with brownie lip liner and a little bit of Sis gloss. Keep an eye out for that gloss review that I owe you guys. It's coming up pretty soon. Let me know what y'all think about this wig, but I think she's a beauty. I think she is absolutely stunning. I think she's a great color option if you want to try some color, if you want to try some highlights. If you're just looking for a nice like body wave wig, she is gorgeous, y'all. She's absolutely gorgeous. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.